Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this style. This is Belle Tress COCO. It's heat friendly, of course. This color is Butterbeer Blonde. Okay, I want to show you this. I've been so excited to try this wig, so I thought, we'll just unbox it together. So it comes like this. Oh, it's so pretty. Butterbeer Blonde. I love this color, of course. You've seen me review it I don't know how many times. But, wow, look at the waves in this already. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Okay, let me get out, take the packing out. Give it a little shake here. This is gorgeous. I knew this was going to be so pretty. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. All right, this is a middle part. It's a wider part, so we can move the parting just a hair to either side. Has a lace front. There is no seam here, so notice that. It is an extended lace front, open wefted, has closed ear tabs. It has an extended felt nape, and it has pull adjusters. Okay. So let's just talk about Butterbeer Blonde before we put it on. I want you to see this up close. Look how gorgeous this is. Very ashy in Butterbeer Blonde. I think that's what I really like about this. I prefer ashy shades. This one is very ashy. It's on this medium root, medium brown root. It has shades of sandy blonde. There's light blonde in here. Ash blonde, sandy blonde, light blonde, medium brown root. It's got it all. What a beautiful blonde shade. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's see how it fits. Okay, it fits me very large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This is very large. I'm definitely going to have to work with the adjusters on this style. Again, this is a middle part. Oh, this is pretty though. Look at these beautiful, beautiful waves. That is just so pretty. It's very lightweight. It weighs 4 ounces. Let's see. It is super low density here. I'm not feeling permatease. Anything, maybe a touch at the nape of the lightest amount. It's very low density, as you can see. Okay, shoulder length bob, barrel curls. I'm going to comb through them with my wide tooth comb just to loosen them up just a little. See how that looks. Oh yes, if you love these kind of styles, I do, that are just loose, free, carefree with this, just look at these waves. Look at these curls. That is beautiful. You know, it's sleek and then it comes down into these waves. That's very popular right now, as you know, and I like that. It has this long sweeping bang. Now this has an overall length of 5 inches to 12 inches, and the sides are 5 to 6. The nape is 5 to 7, and like I said, it weighs 4.0 ounces. Okay, let's style it a little bit. I put it on with a headband, of course. It is very sleek. Like I said, low density. You can put this behind your ears with no problem here at all. See, I've got it caught in my tag. All right, let's see the coverage. There's my bio hair here and here. I want you to see the lace front. Nice lace front. All right, let's see if we can move this part, like I said, over just a hair. You can, anywhere within that mono part, you'll be able to adjust the part. Not a lot, but a little. If you want to just get it off center, if that's not something you like, you can do that. But otherwise, actually, I think this is really pretty down the center on this style. And I believe it's because of the way these long front pieces are. I think it's just really pretty parted in the middle on this style. Thank you for joining me today and having a look at Belle Tress COCO Heat Friendly. Like I said, you know, you could add more curl to this. You could straighten this completely out if you would like. Now keep in mind, when you do that, you'll have to put the curl back in it. So I really have never done that. I've never really straightened a style like this that has the curl because I am not good enough, I don't think, to be able to put the curl back into it to get this look again. That's just, I don't have that ability, but I know so many people do. They will straighten these wigs and then they'll be able to put their curl right back into it. That's just not something I'm that good at. So I have not done that, but if you have, let me know. Let me know your technique. If you have straightened your wigs completely and then were able to get it back to original, how it looked, adding your curl back in. Let me know about that down below. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great day and I will see you next time.